Hello everyone, welcome to Me Paintings. Spring has come to my country very early this year and I find inspiration on every corner. My garden is blooming with colors and beautiful fragrances. So today's tutorial will be inspired by these flowers which I found in my garden, and I love the color combination of white and lilac and purple in the background. So today I will try to show you how to paint beautiful spring flowers. I will be painting on square cotton canvas, which is size 29 by 29 centimeters. It has got a white edge and this canvas is already primed. I will be using full spectrum of acrylic paints, and I will start by painting a simple leaf pattern on my canvas like this. And I want to fill these leaves with shades of green and blue, and I will put some masking tape around these leaves to create a nice structure inside of my leaves. Of course, you could just paint straight on the leaves, but I wanted to create interesting pattern in my background. I will simply squeeze the paint out of the tube, shades of green, some dark green, teal, white, and then I'm gonna use my roller brush and spread the paint everywhere. It will help me to create a nice smooth transition between all these green shades. So it looks kind of dark, so I'm adding a little bit of yellow, and I'm using this special sponge brush which I bought in my local art shop. And then I'm adding some teal and white as well to add contrast into my leaves. So it looks like this. I'm gonna take these tapes off, wait like 15 minutes till the paint gets dry, and then I'm gonna put masking tape on the leaves and create the background. And for that I'm gonna use like purple, magenta, a little bit of orange, yellow, and also some shades of blue. Again, I'm just squeezing the paint out of tube and using roller brush. I just speed this up a little bit because it took me like 20 minutes to create the background, and I'm just adding layers of lighter and darker shades to create like a very smooth background. So as you can see, the roller brush and the sponge brush created like a foamy background. Now I used pencil and draw shapes of cells, and I'm gonna use this mixture relief glue which I bought in local art shop. You have to search online what's available in your country, and I'm gonna go over these cell shapes which I draw with pencil and create interesting background which will be covered with gold foil. So like this, I'm gonna go over these shapes. You can create any kind of background and cell shapes, just I usually use pencil to see where it all goes, but you could just paint straight from the tube. But for me, it's better to see where the shapes will be and how it will all look together. Once I'm done with the mixture glue, I will wait like 4 or 5 hours till the glue gets dry. When it's dry, it's see-through and it's sticky. That's how you know it's time to put the golden foil on the top of the glue. I will also go around these flower shapes. Later on, I will fill them with structure paste. So this is the whole picture which I painted. Let it dry for a few hours and then fill the flowers with structure paste. Now this is how it looks when the glue gets dry. And I'm gonna use golden foil which I bought in local art shop. You have to be very gentle with it. It tears very easily. There is also another type of golden sheet. It's called embossing gold sheet, but this one is better for me in this case. So I'm just gonna put it on the top of my glue like this. I'm gonna help myself with fingers. Cover everything with gold foil, and then I'm gonna use these soft makeup brushes and my fingers to get rid of the excessive gold foil. And I don't chuck the excessive gold foil away, I just put it in a jar and I usually use it in next projects. When that's done, I'm gonna put this structurally leaf paste in my plastic bag and I will cut a little hole in the corner like this, and then it will be easy for me to squeeze it out of the bag. So I will fill these flowers with relief paste. You can use any kind of relief paste which you find in your local art shop. And then I'm going to use my brush and nicely spread it so it's nice and smooth. Meanwhile, I wanted to show you a collection of my fluidart mini paintings, which I have all created by using fluidart paints. These match so well together. These are already on my Patreon. I recently was forced to move to Patreon to be able to continue making these painting tutorials. So if you'd like to see how to create this beautiful butterfly or this one will be up very soon. You can check out my patreon.com/mepaintings, where you can see all of amazing painting tutorials. Last thing is my signature. I used the mixture relief glue and the golden foil again. And this is the result of my Lily of the Valley painting, and I'm very pleased with the result. I absolutely love these golden cells, which were inspired by a fluid art movement. So as you can see, you can just take a simple topic like a little flower theme and turn it into masterpiece. I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. I share most of my new tutorials here on my Patreon. You can also follow me on my Facebook here. I wish you lots of success with your art projects. Bye!